Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Cromwell local and long distance movers near me. A move is viewed as long on the off chance that it covers in excess of 50 miles, even inside a similar state. A highway move happens when you move across state lines, while an intrastate move happens when you move inside a similar state. We can move your effects locally, statewide, and past state lines. We have a decent working relationship with the neighborhood and government experts accountable for all moves. We also have protection designs to cover hazard liabilities during and after your things are migrated because we care about our clients and their property. Our movers and drivers are very principled, and your things will be delivered in the same condition as before the migration. You will not need to stress over being cheated because each of our services are sensibly valued. Local movers are commonly more affordable than significant distance migration, and you can have confidence that our own will be no exception. Our rates are sensible and modest, going somewhere in the range of $30 and $40 per hour. We'll give you great worth for your cash if you recruit our authorized and mindful local movers. We're accustomed to working in clogged areas and will get your things into your new house as quickly as possible. Our expert group of nearby movers will help you in settling on the most suitable choices with regard to your moving plans. If you really want more evidence, inquire about us. You'll see that we have the best surveys from our glad clients. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cromwell moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.